Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today our topic is IAS prelim timetable and book list. Before going to timetable, I will show you prelim syllabus.
In this prelim syllabus, two papers will be conducted. One is GS1, means General Studies 1. It contains 200 marks. Coming to the GS1 subjects, Indian polity, history, geography, economics, environmental, general science and current affairs. Next, General Studies paper 2 or CSAT. It also contains 200 marks. In this General Studies, there are 6 topics we have. 1. Comprehension, internal personal skills, logical reasoning, decision making, basic numeracy and data interpretation. In these 6 topics, there are 3 important topics means 1. Comprehension. It contains nearly 30 questions in examination point of view. And basic numeracy. It contains 20 questions in examination foundation and data interpretation. These 3 topics is very important to examination point of view for CSAT. This is prelims timetable. In this timetable, I divided 3 phases. Each phase consists of 2 subjects. Means morning session 1 subject and afternoon session as another subject. You can see here my daily time management. 3 hours for subject 1, 3 hours for subject 2, 1 hour for current affairs, 1 hour for CSAT and 2 hours for revision. 3 hours for subject 1 means morning session. I mean the phase 1 morning session is Indian polity. And 3 hours subject 2 means history. It's afternoon session. Coming to the phase 2. Phase 2 has economics and geography. Economics has morning session and geography has afternoon session. In this period 17th March to 29th April. Coming to the phase 3. It is the final phase and it consists of 2 subjects. One subject is science and technology and another one is environmental. Science and technology as morning session and environmental as afternoon session. And after the completion of the phase 3 session, I would like to revise the entire syllabus of UPSC prelim.
And here I divided as each subject as separate schedule. Indian polity.
Here the most important book M. Lakshmikant. Mostly all seniors are told it's Bible. Coming to this author has amazing job to compile all notes under one book. As this book is specially written for UPSC civil service aspirants, read it multiple times. There are 2 NCERTs which you learn for prelims, class 11 NCERTs. This subject is most important, so keep touch on amendments, recent Supreme Court judgments, bills and committees. Here the Indian polity, I wrote every important topics here and with the date of completion. And here the how many chapters and dates and hours also I will wrote here. And this is the morning session.
My other resources. This is the best book for prelims and mains perspective. In this file, I place important mapping sections. Here my notes, I wrote my important key points here.
History. It is very important for prelims and mains. Modern Indian Bipin Chandra as the basic book for modern India. And art and culture, read NCERTs. In this art and culture, only few questions asked by examination point of view. And coming to the ancient and medieval India. This is the best book for ancient and medieval India, Poonam Dalal. In this book, they provided two maps, one ancient map and another one as medieval map. This is the medieval map. And this one is the ancient map.
History of afternoon session. In this history, there are three categories: ancient, medieval, and modern India. Indian history materials, and this is the mapping section of Indian history.
Indian economy. Here you can read Ramesh Singh. This is the best book for UPSC examination point of view. Before studying this book, you can refer the macroeconomics, Indian economic development. Indian economic development, this book will give you an overview how Britishers ruling Indian economy. Coming to the economy. Economy also I will write the important topics in this book, and whenever I will completed these topics I would like to tick the mark. This is the material I referred for economics. And important questions for previous year's questions also available in this file. And 5 years plan and schemes for every year. Here you can see the 5 years plan. And here list of Indian and research area. And here you can see the government schemes. Geography. In this geography, it is a lengthy syllabus. Before going to preparation, read NCERTs 6 to 10. It is useful to early in preparation. In this NCERTs, class 11 and 12 are very important. These books are Indian perspective. After NCERT is completed, read Majid Hussain. and GC Leon. In this geography, this is the lengthy syllabus and I will take the maximum number of days for completion of this geography. And I wrote here the
Entire.
chapters in this geography.
This is my geography resources, the entire mapping sections available in this file. And this is my notes. And this is the best material for reference.
Coming to the general science. In general science, you can read NCERT science books and focus on the biology part. Science and technology. Read latest machines and monthly magazines. Technology, biology, physics and chemistry. This is also I wrote and I will complete as soon as possible. You can see here the different types of maps also available here and different types of this is the best book for general science and this is my notes. In these notes, sorry, this is the notes. I wrote here the prelims, important topics on defense, railways. These topics available in this file. Here you can see the Indian Railways. The entire. Here the environmental. Shankar IAS. Everybody heard about this book. And coming to the environment. Environment also I wrote here important topics and I will complete within the period of time.
Coming to the current affairs part, I can read daily Hindu paper and monthly magazines of Kurukshetra and Yojana. Here, the previous year's question papers with answers and explanation.
Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.